Sunday morning, 17 October. Kathy and I were on Kennedy. Kathy and I got to Burnett Elementary School and up against the brown grass saw some tiny black specks. This is the largest rafter of turkeys we've ever seen.
Okay, we're further up on Kennedy, nearing Evans Road, where we will turn right, which is south. And the wild turkeys that Jay did a video on earlier are still out there, a little further up the hillside. Some of them are in full feather display, though it doesn't show up well from this distance. You can tell that their tails are fanned open. Never seen this many at one time. Wow. Looks like they have at least one leucistic, which is white instead of brown, the normal color that they would be. Wild turkey here on the right there. So the males are probably showing their selves off to the females. And the females are just, I want to eat. I don't want to be bothered right now. Wow. That's awesome. And they're up. Oh, the sun is just really popping through. I'll stay here for a moment. I can see the sun on the hillside where they're at. It's finally, well, don't walk away from the sun, you guys. Anyway, it's better illuminating them. Wow. Wowzer, wowzer, wowzer. You know the song, Here Comes the Sun. Well, here we go. Beautiful. Can't wait to see this. Don't like ending it on a blur when I'm enjoying the video, so refocus the camera, and yeah, we're gonna head on our walk. And they're up there where the sun is now. Crossed Evans Road, and we're standing over in the one of the north areas of the Last Word Ranch, looking at the hillside that has that rafter. That's what a group of wild turkeys are referred to. Rafter of Wild Turkeys. Wowzers. No, it doesn't show. It just shows this side of the ridge that they're on. So there's probably more on the other side. In fact, I'm pretty sure there is. But still, quite impressive. And the sun went away just from the time I did my video a few moments ago to now. They're just having breakfast. Wow, wow, wow. And they're up there. Yeah, just. Oh, we've got a house sparrow down for the dry mealworms. Jay's put down a couple live. We have a mockingbird that flew, and hi guys. You're excited. He's on the fence. There's more. There we go. There's two there. Get the second one. We're at the southern side for the blue jays. And the house sparrows are here. So we've got just a whole line. Yeah.
You still got the worm.
We're at Fluffy's, and she's here. Here we go. Yeah. She wasn't being her usual chatty self, but she is finally announcing her presence. Num num num, this good stuff. Good stuff.
Daddy cat.
Ah, her dad is here this morning. He just slunk from one bush to the next to get a little further away from Jay. So it means that there'll be no food left by the time we get back, because the two of them will have eaten it, which is okay. It's perfectly okay. We're at the Lutheran church and Collie is here. Stop walking because, well, she's only gonna come so close to Jay. Out of focus. Anyway, Collie is approaching her food and treats. And there we go.
Okay, trying my best to get good video of red-tailed hawk. I'm at the entrance of Alviso Adobe Park. It's perched up on the gazebo. And the apricot tree here in the park has grown quite a bit, so it...
Okay, hillside gazebo behind the church that's next to Alviso Adobe Park. A red-tailed hawk perched at the peak of it. Jay's already done a video. This is from, I'm standing at the back area of Alviso Adobe Park, looking at the eastern hillside. Doing the hawk first before setting up the food on the table and the ground in the picnic area, because no guarantee he would still be here by the time I was done. So there we go. Red-tailed hawk.
Got a beautiful spotted towhee rummaging around right by... I just can't keep up with it. I won't try, we'll just continue to set up.
And that beautiful, there we go. And the red-tailed hawk is still on the hillside gazebo. We have cloud coverage today with possible chance of some sprinkle maybe later on today. Won't hold my breath. We need the rain, but it won't be much. We'll take what we can get, but yeah, we'll wait and see. And he's over there. We're back at Fluffy's, and she greeted us, and treats are down, and she's enjoying them. Food status, Jay? Food status? Food is all gone. So with her dad being here, as predicted, clean plate. Yeah, there's one more. Okie dokie, Fluffy. We'll see you tomorrow.